think these guys are going for 20 laps. Got Austin in number 4. Got Cody in 32, Nick in 01. You got Jordan there in 05. Better watch out, they call him a road runner. He'll run over you. Now I'm 2 laps. Alright, we're going to line them up. If we ever get them together. Alright, you got Jordan in 05, Cody on the front row, 32. And you got Nick and Austin on the rear, second row. We're getting all high fives. Alright. Jordan, he got his machine wide open already. He's ready to go. Trying to get Austin ready. Alright, here we go. Alright, here we go. George got his wide open, he's going ready. Alright, get ready, get set, go. Alright, there's Cody gonna come out. Alright, got Jordan in first, Cody in second, Nick in third, Austin in fourth. Alright, George turning sideways down there. Got Cody in second, Nick in third, Austin in fourth. Alright, there you go. Got Jordan still holding on that lead. Got Cody in second, Nick in third, Austin in fourth. Alright, there comes Austin. Alright, looks like Jordan's been trying to put him a lap down. There's Cody in 32. Nick in second. Alright, Jordan done put Austin down a lap. Don't work on Nick down there on turn 3. Alright, still got Austin. There's Jordan. He put Nick down. Got Cody still running in second. Alright, got Jordan in first place. Cody in second. Nick in third. Austin in fourth. That Jordan putting a fast pace on him. Austin having a problem with his lawnmower. Alright, still got Cody in second, Nick in third, Austin in fourth. Alright, there comes Jordan, he in first place. Ah, there goes Jordan. He's looking for some racing room. He's gonna go on outside again. That Jordan, he got a bad hot rod. Alright, still Jordan, number 1, Cody in second, Nick in third, Austin in fourth. Alright. It's still Jordan. Got Cody in second, Nick in third, Austin in fourth.
20 laps.
There goes Jordan. He's fitting to put them down on turn 3 down there. It's still Jordan in number 1 spot. Cody in second. Coming up on a white flag lap. It's going to be Jordan. At the white flag, Cody second, 32. Got Nick 01. Austin in 04. I'm going to come up that checker flag. There's your winner right there, 05. That's Jordan, the road runner. He definitely put it on him. Put him 3 laps down. There's your winner right there. Don't give it up for Jordan in 05. That's a young gun. Can't tell him nothing. Alright, there's your man right there, 05, that's Jordan. Alright, we're coming out with a 3-piece class.